Hello and good day. Hope you're all doing well. Are you thinking about remodeling your kitchen or bathroom? Are you thinking about building a beautiful deck off the master bedroom? Could you possibly be considering re-landscaping the backyard or build a new fence? Is it possible you may wish to paint the interior of your home, or are you considering the thought to change the color of the exterior of your house? Well, please consider Sticks and Stones. We have a team of highly professional tradesmen that are ready to help you with any size project, big or small. I'd like to touch on a few of the services that we offer. We can help you with bathroom repair, cleaning, carpentry, electrical, flooring. Painting, we do residential painting, we can do commercial painting. We do exterior and interior, of course, and we can help power wash any surface that you may have. We're experts when it comes to any type of setting tile. We have ceramic tile, porcelain tile, natural stone. We can do some sheet flooring, linoleum installing. We do stone restoration and stone polishing. We can come in and help you clean the grout. We can help you with carpentry. We can help you install new cabinets. We can do finish and trim carpentry, rough frame carpentry. Maybe you're thinking about building a barn or adding on to the garage. We can certainly help you with that. And last of all, we can also help you with any type of demolition. So if you wanted to tear down that old barn or build a new one, we can certainly come over and help you with those types of things. So please give us a call. Perhaps you'd like to visit our website. Our website link is below this video, and just click on the link. It'll take you over to the website. You'll see our phone numbers there. Give us a call anytime. You can email us, whatever you'd like to do, and we're here to help you, and like to thank you for your time and wish you a great day, and look forward to helping you with all your future projects. Please give Sticks and Stones a call today. Thank you very much.